Hi and welcome back to the 28-day knitting challenge. Today is day 23rd and we're talking about decreases. Knitting is all about creating fabric by adding and removing stitches. Yesterday we covered increases, which add stitches. So today we'll learn how to remove those stitches using different decreases techniques. Decreases not only will shape our knitting, but they also play a big role in creating lace and texture designs. So grab your needles and let's get started. Now let's start with simple decreases. The first one is the slip one, knit one, pass the slip stitch over. Is usually abbreviated like S1, K1, psso or skpo. So we just knit two, we slip one stitch, knit twice, knit the next stitch and lift the slip stitch over it. It's just as simple. We slip one, knit one and pass the slip stitch over. Now, for a knit two together or K2 tug, insert your right needle from left to right through two stitches at the same time. Wrap the yarn, pull through both loops and drop them off. So 1, 2, we go through together, wrap, and we just decreases one stitches. Then there is the slip, slip, knit. You slip two stitches, knit twice, one at a time, and then with your left needle, you go back through the stitches and knit them together. On the purl side, there are more or less the same thing. With purl 2 together or P2 together, you insert your right needle from right to left through the next two stitches. So let me just knit purl the first one. And you purl as usual, but you'd have decreases by one. Let's do it again. 1, 2, wrap, and that's it. Now for the slip, slip, purl, you slip two stitches, knit twice onto the right needles, and turn into the left needle. Then you insert the tip of your right needle into the two loops and pull them together. Again, you slip just to turn on the left needle, so you can pull them from the back. And those are simple decreases. Now let's talk about double decreases, removing 2 stitches at once. The first one is the knit 3 together, very similar to the knit 2 together, but we go through 3 stitches this time. And it's just the same movement with decrease 2 stitches by knitting 3. Now the slip 1, knit 2 together and pass the slip stitch over is slip 1, knit 2 together and pass the slip stitch over. The last one is the slip 2 together, knit 1 and pass 2 slip stitch over. You slip 2 stitches together, you knit the next, and you pass those 2 to the one you just knit. Those are all double decreases. Each one of those have removed 2 stitches at a time. And there you have it, you're into 2 decreases. Tomorrow we will explore cables, so don't forget to like this video if you find it helpful and subscribe so you don't miss a lesson. And comment below, which decrease do you like the most? And happy knitting, see you tomorrow.